We started in May of 2023. We started with our Alaska and Washington markets, and then between then and now, we have added our California, Wyoming, and Arizona locations. As Nuvision continues to expand, we plan to continue with the E-Manifest adoption into our operations in all of our markets. The biggest benefit that Nuvision has seen is with our accounting team. They are able to see the deposits the day of versus having a one-day lag.
Nuvision has seen little to no change in our day-to-day operation. Our relationship with our cash vendor has stayed the same. I would suggest starting the conversation with the Federal Reserve and your cash vendor now for the E-Manifest program.